Right, let's talk about external services in Istio. If you're running Kubernetes and you're using Istio, you'll eventually need your cluster to talk to something outside itself. Think public APIs like api.github.com, a corporate database in your old data center, or maybe a legacy app humming away on some VM miles away from cloud native. Now here's what most folks don't expect. By default, Istio controls all outbound traffic from your mesh. That's brilliant for security, but it means nothing gets out unless you tell Istio it's allowed. So if you try to call https://google.com from a pod, you'll just get silence. Why's that? It's down to a setting called outbound traffic policy. In most strict or production environments, it's set to registry_only. Basically, if you haven't explicitly declared an external service, Istio blocks it. Total lockdown. That's a win for zero trust, but it means you'll need some configuration magic to make things work. There are two ways to open things up. Option 1, pass-through mode or allow_any. Flick this switch and suddenly all outbound traffic is allowed from the mesh. No questions asked. Great for dev or testing, but in production, you're flying blind. No observability, no policies, no clue what's leaving your cluster. Definitely not a move for the cautious. Option 2, registry mode or registry_only. This is the secure way. You have to tell Istio exactly which external services are okay to contact using something called a service entry. Let's say you want to call api.github.com. You'd write a resource like this. Here's the host api.github.com. It's outside the mesh. Port is 443, protocol is HTTPS, and please resolve it with DNS. Once that's in place, Istio opens the gate for your mesh to talk to GitHub, but only on the terms you set. It gets better. Once you've got a service entry, you can layer on all sorts of cleverness. Want to control how traffic gets there? Use a virtual service. Need to set rate limits, retries, or timeouts? You can. Want to monitor every call, get latency and error rates in Grafana or Kiali? It's all there. Real-world examples? Loads. Need to call Stripe or GitHub's API and avoid blowing your rate limit? Sorted. Connecting to an external database and need TLS? Easy. Hybrid cloud setups with strict auditing? Absolutely. But, and it's a big but, there are pitfalls. Forget a service entry? Traffic's blocked. Get the port or protocol wrong, it'll fail quietly. Mismatch the DNS name? No dice. And please don't leave allow_any on in production unless you enjoy living dangerously. Bonus tip. If you need Istio to start a TLS connection to an external service, that's just a simple traffic policy tweak, or go big with an egress gateway for total control. So, to recap, allow_any means anything goes, but no guardrails. Registry. _only means you declare every external service, get observability, and stay secure. Service entry tells Istio what's out there. Virtual service lets you control how you get there. Egress gateway? That's your central checkpoint for all things external. That's external services in Istio. Simple once you know what's going on, and absolutely essential if you're serious about security and control.